Stop guessing on why your Cyberpunk 2077 New Game Plus mod isn't working on Steam Dec. This is exactly how you fix it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you just drag and drop files, which is a total waste of time because Linux requires specific DLL overrides to actually load those modded scripts. Before we dive into the folders, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck with a vanilla save every time you hit play. We are doing this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail this installation. Here at Redscript, we are the authority on Cyberpunk deck modding and making sure your Night City experience is flawless. The reason your NG Plus isn't showing up is that the game's internal script engine, Redscript, is being blocked by the Steam Dec security layers. You might think you need a complex mod manager, but you actually just need to tell Proton to step aside. Here's a secret trick that other creators missed. You must use Proton tricks in desktop mode to install CRUN 2022 and D3 compiler _47, while the core dependencies like CyberEngine tweaks will never initialize. Once those are installed, go to your Steam library, right-click Cyberpunk, and in the launch options paste exactly WNDLOVRDS equals win, version equals N, be followed by the command %. This tiny string of code is a skeleton key that forces a game to load the custom version DLL required for the New Game Plus menu to appear. If you want a secret to transferring your max level character save from PC to Dec without corruption, tell me in the comments right now. The answer is to use the DLL override launch option and ensure Red4ext is updated to the absolute latest version.